How do I change my list into a LISTSERV blog? In addition to forum view, which turns the list archives into a threaded format that resembles a message board, LISTSERV 17.0 also introduced another mode called blog view. It's closely related to forum view and works exactly the same way, except that it uses a custom style sheet, which allows list owners to make their list archives look and feel like a blog. As with forum view, the most recent original thread is always displayed first, followed by all of the responses or comments in chronological order. Because blog view comes with a custom style sheet, the list owner needs to enable this mode. To do so, click on List Customization under the List Management menu. Then locate the pull-down menu labeled Archive Style. Select Blog View followed by Save. A link labeled Customize Blog Layout will appear under the pull-down menu. Click on this link to open a screen that allows you to customize the blog. The blog customization screen has 5 customization menus. Background allows you to modify the background color or insert a background image if you prefer. To do so, enter the full URL to the image that you want to use and select how the background image should be repeated. The header menu allows you to change the color, logo, and size of the top banner. As with background, if you want to insert a custom logo or a background image, simply enter the full URL to the images that you want to use, followed by preview. The content menu lets you modify all things related to the layout of the main content area. You can choose the width of the blog and the padding, whether you want to use 2 columns or 1, whether to enable comments and content sharing icons. You can also choose whether to include a description of your blog in the sidebar, an archive search function, a subscription form, a table of contents, and an area for a social media plugin, which can be used for things like embedding a Twitter feed in the sidebar. You can also fine-tune things like fonts, sizes, and colors. The footer menu is similar to the header menu, except that it deals with a footer. Finally, the content section lets you enter your blog name, description, footer information, and the code to embed, for example, your Twitter feed. When you are happy with your configuration, click the Save button. Now when you return to your list homepage, the list archives will use your custom blog style sheet that gives the list the look and feel of a blog. This blog style sheet will apply to all list-related pages, including the subscription page, the message posting interface, and the archive search screen. Whenever you post a new thread, it will appear at the top like a blog post. Any replies to the thread will be listed under the blog post in chronological order in the form of comments. This mode combines the functionality of an email list and a blog. Thank you for watching.